In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a website link to your Google business profile. Now it's actually very simple to do, but just follow along closely to ensure you get every step correct. So let's get right into it. The first thing you need to go ahead and do is go onto Google like I have done here, and you want to type in my business in the search bar. So my business, just like this. Hit enter and it will show you the different businesses that you own. Now the one you want to go ahead and change, click on the view profile button. That should take you to your business here where you'll have all of your different settings you can go ahead and change. Now there's a few ways we can go ahead and change the website or add one in, but the easiest way is to go over to where it says edit profile. Once we do that, we should see a lot of different options about our business, and if we scroll down here there should be a website option. And as you can see here, this is the website section here. So to go ahead and add one, just click on this pencil icon and you can go ahead and simply type in your domain for your website there and hit save. And it's really as simple as that to go ahead and do. So if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to go down below and like and subscribe, comment down below that helped, and let me know if there's any other videos you'd like me to make. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.